Hello everybody. So today I will talk about Excel. The topic today is about optimization by solver in here. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the maximum population when we set up about the test site for COVID-19. However, the budget only 5,000 US dollars. Now we need to find the location to make sure that we can get the maximum possible population from only 5,000 US dollars. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing we need to create about the functions. So we use about the sum product. So this is about budget. We put this one in here. Later that we use comma. The next area that should be about this one. This area will use about binary number for using the solver in here. The next one that is about population. We use about sum product. So we put this one and this one. This is the first step to do about the solver in here. Now let's go to data solver. So about objective, we want to get about maximum population. That is about this one. So we click in here. The next one, changing variable cells. That is about this one, because we don't have the binary number in here. The next one, that is about the constraints. We click at about this one. We know that this one we want to create about binary numbers. So we click on bin and we have this one. The next one, we have the constraint that is about the budget. So we have this one in here. We click on maximum budget and we put about 5,000 in here. And now we have two constraints in here. Later that we click on solve. And we can see that they just provide the binary numbers in here. And we can see the maximum budget is possible is about 4,900. It's close to 5,000. However, the maximum possible population that is about 7,250, and we can see that 111, that means they select this location. Number 00 in here, we cannot select about this location. So with this scenario in here, we can get about maximum population with the budget only 5,000 US dollars in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.